Welcome back, coach.
Welcome back. What a player. Look partner pure.
Respect for Sundowns, because in the end of the day, they are the PSL winners. They have a good team, they have good players, but the main focus here is in ourselves, what we can bring to the game and give continuation to our moment in the PSL. Yeah, I think people are thinking that because Sundowns lost the game against Pirates, they are no longer having confidence. But I don't see that way. I see it's part of the football, you know. Of course, Sundowns it's a big club. They play for big trophies. But as I said, our focus is not in Sundowns. We have to be focused in ourselves, in our job, in our duty, what we can do to go over Sundowns. And of course, we will analyze and see the strengths and the weak points of Sundowns. Of course, they have some weak points the same way that they have some strong points, and we have to be ready for that, and that's the main focus.
Miguel.